In 1939, the Second World War broke out. The British government, without consulting the Indian representatives, made India a part to the World War. India stated that if the British wanted India's cooperation in the war, then India should be declared independent soon after the war was over. The British refused this demand. In 1940, the Congress launched the individual Satyagraha movement and selected Satyagrahis to oppose the war and to get arrested. This was known as Jail Bharo Andolan. On this call, 25,000 Satyagrahis came forward and were put behind bars. Quit India movement. Japan advanced towards India during the Second World War. British sought the cooperation of the Indians. Cripps mission was sent in 1942. Head was Sir Stafford Cripps, and the proposals were: first, dominion status to India after war, and second, other constitutional reforms too. The mission failed. The proposals were rejected, resulted in another mass movement, Quit India movement. On August 1942, All India Congress Committee met at Bombay. Quit India resolution was placed by Gandhiji. He gave the mantra "Do or die" and stated that we shall either free India or die in the attempt. Students left schools and colleges and joined the movement. Demonstrations and public meetings were organized. People became violent and destroyed public property, resulted in the imprisonment and killing of many people. Gandhiji was arrested. Government imposed restrictions on newspapers. And now children, significance of the movement. The Quit India movement was the greatest movement after the uprising of 1857. It infused new life and spirit in the people. The Forward Bloc and the Indian National Army. New party. It was formed within the Congress and its name was the Forward Bloc, and the founder was Subhash Chandra Bose. And reason: due to differences in opinion, he quit the Congress. He decided to go abroad to ally with the enemies of the British in the Second World War to drive the British out of India. He organized INA or AHF, Azad Hind Fauj. Indian National Army, Azad Hind Fauj. Army was comprised of a large number of Indians from Southeast Asia and prisoners of war. Aim was to liberate India from British occupation with Japanese assistance. Subhash Chandra Bose gave the rousing war cry, "Delhi Chalo, Jai Hind" was his salutation in praise of the motherland. INA had a women's army too. Its success was short-lived when Japan was defeated in the Second World War by the Allied powers. INA was defeated in 1945. The INA boosted the momentum of the national movement. Do you know, children, the trial of the soldiers of INA was held at the Red Fort in Delhi. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Phula Bhai Desai and Tej Bahadur Sapru fought the case on behalf of the soldiers. Towards independence and partition. Second World War brought many changes. USA and USSR emerged as the two superpowers. Britain was reduced to a second power. Many countries adopted socialism. India was still struggling for her freedom. The last few years before independence, the British government realized that it was no longer possible to hold Indians under subjugation. In 1946, the cabinet mission was sent to India and the aim was to hold talks with Indian leaders and settle the terms of transfer of power to Indians. And the proposal was to form an interim government at the center to carry on the administration until the constitution was implemented. And the causes of failure: Muhammad Ali Jinnah refused to accept any of the terms. Muhammad Ali Jinnah remained fixed on the demand of a separate Muslim state. A large section of Muslims felt alienated from Congress. The relations worsened between the Hindus and Muslims. Muslims feared that their identity would be submerged under the domination of the Hindu majority. Direct Action Day, and the day was 16th August 1946. After the failure of the cabinet mission, the Muslim League decided to agitate en masse in group to create a separate Muslim state. They declared the 16th of August 1946 as Direct Action Day, and the aim was to show the strength of Muslims' feelings towards its demand for an autonomous and sovereign Pakistan. Resulted in the worst communal riots broke out in Calcutta and spread to different parts in India. Questions, children. Question number 1. Who headed Cripps mission? Question 2. Which resolution was taken by Gandhiji in August 1942 in the Congress session met at Bombay? Question 3. Which mantra was given by Gandhiji? Question 4. Who was the founder of the Forward Bloc? Question 5. Why was Azad Hind Fauj formed?